Dear friends, tea is another word for freshness. Thousands of people are working daily to pack this freshness for you and deliver it to your doorsteps, which start with the milkman by providing fresh milk in the early morning, and all cafes, restaurants, and all of the tea corners start their stove continuously from early morning to late night in this chilled winter and hand over to the supply chain, and that delivery boy become wall to stop chilled wind on his face to see your happy face. We are also a small part of this chain by providing packaging. Your friend first pack, we are providing a variety of tea flasks to see variety of smiles on your face. Our 250 milliliters tea flask is capable to serve 2 or 3 persons at a time properly of hot tea, coffee, soup, juice, shake, fresh herbal juice, green tea, and many more beverages. The tea flask comes in brown color packing and same time to match the ambience. It will be available in white color. Printed box, fill color in the movement. It can be pre-printed or custom printed as per the cafe's requirement. Economy product is also available to fulfill needs by keeping less weight on your pocket. We have 500 milliliters tea flasks and the capacity to serve 4 to 6 persons at a time. Our 750 milliliters tea flask is capable to serve 7 to 9 people at a time. We have also 1000 milliliters tea flasks to serve 10 to 12 people at a time. If you want to know more about the tea flasks, then you can visit our website or contact our phone numbers that are in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.